I was going to film this on my action camera that just failed on me for the second time. It failed on me in Doha, right in front of Gordon Ramsay's restaurant. And it failed on me just now. I am just arriving in my paint room. So I'm gonna have to tidy up this mess so I can get busy on something fluid, which is my next plan. So time to clean up a bit. Here's my spinner, which I'm very happy to have, and here's all sorts of materials. I'm not going to follow any recipes. I'm just gonna try to make it up as I go. So let me get this place cleaned up and prepare for some fluid art. Sorry for the shaking. So far so good. Found some interesting materials. Got some glue, got some effect, got a bit of neon. And going through this basket, something is old, something is quite fine, I think. There's a bit more materials here, some there, and a whole box more over here. So I'm looking forward to getting ready to do my first fluid. Let's keep smiling. Okay, so first I prepared my spinner here, one of the most important tools to make this work, and starting to prepare a bit of paint. So what did I find in all the boxes and nooks and crannies? I found some different glues, some different effects, some different medium, whatever that does, someone knows. But like I said, I've been watching Virginia's fluid art. It's beautiful, so I'm gonna give it a go here. And as you can see, there will be a bit of preparation, so I'm looking forward to it. I hope this is gonna be fun and make everybody smile. I'm pretty sure I'm smiling already, so let's get busy with it. Testing one for my fluid art paint. So we're gonna have a canvas, my hands are gonna come here. I'm gonna put some paint on the canvas. Hopefully I'm not gonna drop too much all over the place. I'm gonna put some very colorful paint on the canvas. Gonna do a little thing. Then don't forget, we're gonna use one of these and do something with it. I'm also going to add some something. I have a few different items over here, and then I'm going to use. I have a few of those different ones over here. Thank you to Virginia. This is my twiddle stick at two different ends, so I can figure out which one I prefer. After that, I'm going to take this table and gently spin it. I'm going to see if I can center this better, and then spin, and hopefully everything becomes nice, beautiful, fluid. Not too much on the floor, not too much on me. So hopefully I got my camera stand for one camera. I'm gonna have to figure out one more camera stand, so put the phone on that, because I'm not gonna do this and lose all my footage because some camera passed away on me in the middle of my painting. So yeah, that's about it. Take a look at the paint room. Everything is lined up here, ready to go. This is my camera stand, a stool, some milk boxes, all sorts of stuff, clear lacquer. Oh, somebody hiding behind this one, eh? Is it a cat? It's a happy cat. It's a black cat even. Yeah, hard to see. It's for the colorblind. There's a lot of explosives down here, if you may say so. This is my Rocky painting I'm working on. Respect to Rocky Balboa. or should I call him Sylvester Stallone? It's probably more appropriate.
Yeah, you said it, Mr. H2S. Paint and smile. And anyone watching, please subscribe and consider becoming a sponsor.
All I need now is a hairdryer that I'm going to go borrow from my neighbor. So I think it's going to be tomorrow, because I also need to start mixing some colors and everything. It's going to take a moment. So let's try this. Since I'm fairly sure that was a mistake, I am going to pick up this blue.
Anytime you make a mistake, before you get upset with it, look at it.
We don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents.
Don't think. Feel.
Your style.
My style? You can call it the art of fighting without fighting.
Camera in hand, filming my soul, finding the truth in the stories I hold. Japan streets shining neon divine. Life on this edge is a hanging thin line. Shout to the ones who carry me high. Admin exploring, Lisa, smile in the sky. Neighborhood angels keeping me awake. Fuel to my fire in the risk that I take.
Got my camera in hand, tears nowhere to stay. Clicking frames of tomorrow while I build today. Lisa's by my side, we're a wild renegade. Dreams fuel the fire as the skies start to blaze. Upload the chaos, set it every night. Pixels on the run, chasing stories in flight. Travel through the sounds and colors of the fight. A million smiles waiting, blinding so bright. We generate, we elevate around the world to detonate. Chasing the fire, the wildest miles. Break the dark with a million smiles.
Thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure to share my first fluid paint attempt.
I think it looks fun. I'm sure it will look better in the next video.
Have a beautiful day, everyone. Never forget to smile.
Yes, smile every day. Oh, and please subscribe, like and share.
Thank you all for your support.
Yeah, thank you for your support. It really means a lot to me.
I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart.